Hi, I am going to show you parents how to help your child count on. So if we're finding the difference between a number, so the reason I'm doing this is because when in our long division, some of our kiddos are having a hard time. So let's say we are, let's say we're doing a a division problem. Okay, so let's do this. 6 goes into 25 4 times, right? So 6 times 4 is 24. This is a pretty easy one. But sometimes kiddos are forgetting that they don't need to do the whole algorithm of subtraction. They can just count on. So here's how we count on to find the difference between 25 and 24. 24, 25. I just counted on from 24. I have one finger up. That means 1 is the difference. Okay? That's how we count on. That was too easy. I'm going to do another one. Let's do, I'll just do a random. This will have a remainder, but that's okay. Okay, so let's say we're doing this division problem. This is where I'm noticing that kiddos have a hard time with their counting on when they're trying to do their subtraction. So 6 goes into 53 8 times. Okay, and if they know their multiples of 6, then they know that 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, so this is a dynamic subtraction problem. Now the children know how to do dynamic subtraction problems, but when it's embedded in this long division problem, their brains kind of go, ah, I forgot how to do that. So I've been showing them there's not a lot of difference between 48 and 53. We can just use our fingers. We don't have to count backwards. We just count on. We take the smaller of the two numbers and we make a fist. And we say, okay, the smaller of the two numbers was 48. So we say 48. And we count on up to 53, which is the larger of the two numbers. So here's how we do it. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. We get 5. 5 is the difference. Okay, now we can do it the algorithmic way, which is, okay, we can't take 8 from 3, so we got to go borrow from the 5. We turn that into a 4. This turns into a 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. We get the same answer. Counting on is just quick. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, boop, 5. There we go. And then we have to bring down the 6. Okay, so now we have 56. This is our new dividend, right? Our new dividend is now what we're dividing 6 into. So again, we need to know our multiples of 6. 6 times what gets us close to 56? We need to write the closest multiple. So children, if they know their multiples of 6, will go immediately to, well, 9 is the answer up here, because 6 times 9 is 54. So the closest multiple to 56 is 54, right? So we're going to say 6 goes into 54 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. And we subtract. That's our third step. Okay? First we divide, then we multiply, then we subtract, then we bring down. So now we're going to subtract, our third step. Well, we know that 5 and 5 is going to be 0, but 6 and 4 is going to be 2, right? So we can count on 54, 55, 56. That's counting on. So we write our difference there. The difference is 2, and we bring down our 7. So now we need to know our multiples of 6. What's the closest multiple to 27? It's 24. And that is, and what I'm telling the kiddos in our classes is, how many 6 beads do we need to get to close to 27? And they know that 4 6 beads gets us close. 4 times 6 is 24. And let's count on. to find the difference between 24 and 27. 24, 25, 26, 27. So the difference is 3. There's that 3, and we will have a remainder 3. Okay, that's how we do that. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I want them to be able to know how to count on in a subtraction problem within a long division problem. Because they're getting their answers wrong, but it's because they're forgetting how to subtract. And that's the easy part. So I'm sharing this video with you guys so that you can help your child with the subtraction part. And I wrote in an email how to count on, but I thought, well, I better show you what that means, because reading the words kind of jumbles it up and makes it hard to follow. Okay, so hopefully that's clear, and I hope that this helps you. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks, bye.